Hi, I'm Sherry, and today I'm going to present to you a strategy for English language learners. Repeated reading of a familiar text is a very effective way to support students as they develop fluency and comprehension. Using reader's theater along with scripted writing is what we're going to focus on today. What is reader's theater? Reader's theater is scripted reading of a story as dialogue. Students use little to no props as they read the story in the character's voice. There are many purposes and benefits in reader's theater. Today we're focusing on the fact that it is highly supported for ELLs. This support comes from repeated reading and also the additional practice that they receive in writing as they create a script. And because of these activities, reader's theater deepens comprehension and improves fluency. The materials that are needed are simple. Using favorite storybooks from your class time reading, along with writing paper, and a computer for typing the script as the students complete it each day. Reader's theater could take approximately 5 days to implement. This will vary depending on the grade level and the achievement level of the students that you're working with. Reader's theater can be used as often as you so desire. Reader's theater using a student-created script is targeted for students in 1st through 12th grades. So how do we implement this strategy? When selecting a book, you want to choose one that will be interesting to both you and your students. Make sure that you match the book to your students' English developmental levels and also to their age. Books with a lot of dialogue are best for the young writers. As the students mature in their writing ability, you'll want to select books where they can create their own dialogue. For the first read, you want to read the book aloud to the students. There are strategies that you can use to engage your students in discussion and interaction as you read the book. You also want to explore the vocabulary. As you begin this project, you will want to show your students how dialogue is written in different literary formats. To demonstrate for your students, you can use a simple cartoon with speech bubbles to show who is talking, as in the example on the top left corner. In the top right corner is a simple sentence that includes dialogue to show how you have to indicate who is talking and then to put their words in quotes to show exactly what they are saying. And then the model that is on the bottom of it is the writing of the script with the character's name at the left margin and the words to be spoken indented to the right. Next, you will demonstrate how to begin the story by sharing the writing. You can introduce a narrator who will help to set the scene and describe the action. You'll use the author's words when appropriate as the dialogue, but also over time give students the freedom to create their own dialogue as long as it supports the storyline. Using chart paper or your board, record exactly what the students tell you each time that new dialogue is added. After each day of working on the script, type the script as far as the students have gotten. At the beginning of the next day's writing session, assign roles to the students and read the script aloud. Encourage the students to add direction as to how the characters should sound when they're reading. For example, should they be yelling, talking calmly, or etc. Also encourage them to edit the dialogue if they think of a better way to say things. After the script is completed, prepare a copy for each reader. Put the scripts into individual folders and label each folder with the character's name. Highlight the character's dialogue so that your reader can move through the script with ease. Encourage your students to practice reading the script. They should read with expression and with fluency prior to performing it for the class. Now that the students have practiced, Give them the opportunity to perform the Reader's Theater script for their class or for other classrooms. If the English language learner is reluctant to perform for their class, give them an opportunity to perform in a younger grade.